Hello guys, it's David from Trade Support Group. Hope you guys are doing okay today. Right now we're going to do a quick, maybe not a quick, but a nice analysis for the Euro US dollar. So a lot of traders are trading Euro US dollar, very common pair on the market. If you've been trading it, we've bottomed out as traders are saying on the market, meaning obviously we're at a line of support here. You can see where the current price is. You can see it bouncing a couple times here, but nonetheless, we're on a day chart here. So you can see back last year in the whole month of October, we had a double top, and then the ensuing downturn. The double top is at the top of this bullish run, and then we see what happens afterwards. It reverses the trend. Now we've got a strong line of support here, bounced, and now we broke this line of resistance, and we are looking like we're making some sort of bullish wave here. Now I want you guys to take a look at also the measured moves up here. There looks like a pattern, okay? From this point to this point, let's take a look how much that is. Okay, so we're looking at about 1,100 pips. Okay, and from this point to this point, it's about 1,100 pips. And from this point to this point, it's a bit more, but that could mean more of a bullish momentum. So that's about 1,300 pips. So 11, 11, 13, we're starting to see some sort of pattern form, and you can see where we are now. Again, as a support line, we're looking for a nice bounce from here up to maybe the 111.6, and from there we're gonna be looking at breaking this 200-day moving average, and thus putting us in an official bullish market. So it's something to keep an eye on with the Euro US dollar. Also understand the fundamentals of the dollar, what's happening right now. Keep an eye on what's going on politically, geopolitically, involving the U.S., Iran, Iraq, and whomever else. But so yeah, that's that. I wanted to give you guys a quick rundown of the Euro US dollar. Again, it's at around 111 right now, almost 111 flat. Again, we've got a support line here. The next line of support is at 110.6, and if it hits here, breaks our pattern, and I really wouldn't look into getting into a trade with this, because there is no set pattern. There is no trend happening. It's a little sporadic right now. But if we bounce from here and we get to this 111.6 area, I feel pretty confident that we may see a nice rise with the Euro US dollar in the coming month or two, and maybe to this 112 area, 112.5, let's say, something like that. So that's something to look forward to in the next couple of months, if that happens, if we get a nice bounce through here. But we'll keep you guys updated. You can see that on the stochastic, it's oversold here, and we are right at crossing the 200-day moving average. So this could be the point where we may get a big push, technically at least, for the Euro US dollar, and we may see this 112.5, 112.6 area. So keep an eye on it. We will definitely keep you updated. If you guys have any questions, come see us, tradesupportgroup.com. Take a look at our plans. We're running 50% promotions. You have live coaches, live charts. You've seen our strategies. You've seen our videos. Go ahead and get a live coach today so you guys can take advantage of tomorrow. Talk to you later, guys.